Well, it's going to be a hot start to the fair this weekend. We're a little toasty again today.
Yeah, we're back up in the 90s again today, more humidity, and then we're going to back it off over the weekend. A nice cool down coming up on Saturday, which I think everybody will appreciate because it warms up again after that again on Sunday. Pet walk forecast this morning, it's a warm start, muggy out there. We'll be in the mid-70s this morning. That's a good time to take the pets out because the afternoon's going to be hot and hazy again. Very similar to yesterday, although a touch cooler than we were yesterday. Boy, look at all those pets. I wish mine were always that nice. Newport, Oregon Coast Aquarium camera. Good morning to you folks down there. 61 degrees, south-southwest wind. Just 3 miles per hour. You see fog and low clouds out there. And that will clear again like yesterday, and we'll get some afternoon sunshine. Swan Island, Dahlia's camera. You see smoky skies off there in the distance as the twilight gets a little closer to sunrise here. 67 degrees down there. And back in downtown Portland, over the Rose City Subaru Portland camera, you see the smoke-filled skies out there to the east and north. 73 degrees, 64% humidity, dew points at 60. Muggy air mass, calm winds over us. Yesterday, though, we broke some records. Portland made it to 99. The old record was 98, set back in 2015. Salem hit 102. That's a degree above their old record for the day in 2017 as well. And also Astoria, you tied your record from 2017 at 83 degrees. Day planner for today, starting out warm this morning in the 70s. Light wind most of the day. You'll notice that fog or that haze and smoke from those fires up in the atmosphere, upper levels of the atmosphere, not down near the ground. It'll make more of a hazier sunshine today, just like yesterday. Now, I am tracking excessive heat warnings over on the central and east side of the state, southeast Washington, Columbia Basin, and parts of northeast and southeast Oregon as well. An increased wildfire threat there as well. Also, air quality alerts in eastern Oregon. And the red area, that's a red flag warning in central Oregon, central and southeast Oregon. So be careful out there. Increased risk for high fire dangers as there's a chance for some scattered thunderstorms overnight tonight down in the southeast Oregon area. All right, just showing satellite and radar real quick here just because I want to show some fog and low clouds along the coast. The valley remains clear, and the satellite doesn't usually pick up the smoke that's high up in the atmosphere. Recent high temperatures over the past 10 days. Now, normal for this time of year is 84. We've been averaging just a little bit above average. And then, of course, that 99 yesterday helps to push that average up. Okay, northeast Oregon and central Oregon, air quality in the moderate category, in the good category in the Willamette Valley. It's down in the Klamath Basin, very unhealthy, in fact, there, just north of Klamath Falls in Klamath County today with that wildfire smoke continuing to hang around. All right, futurecast, we roll this forward throughout your day today, just passing high clouds. We'll have that smoke in there as well. And the coast, the morning clouds will come back in on Saturday again. Notice Saturday, though. You're going to notice a lot more in the way of high clouds on Saturday. Filtered sunshine, quite a bit less sunshine on Saturday, so we're going to bring those temperatures down for your Saturday into the 80s. Ridge of high pressure just stays anchored over the Intermountain West. And then next week, this is all the way up to next Thursday, ridge is wanting to build again offshore. We'll see how that plays out. Depending on the location of that particular ridge will determine how warm we get next week. There is no rain in the next 7 to 10 days. So again, summer rolls on. 7-day forecast, we'll call it hot and hazy today. Go 94 for a high, 67 for a low tonight. Tomorrow, more clouds, 86. And then another heat spell, not as warm as this current one, though. Heat returns on Sunday, 94, and then we stay right around 90 or just above through most of next week.
All right, Steve, thanks.